So I'm going to start modifying the bobber this year. As you can see, part of the back is apart, and I'm working on finishing up that first stage. Now I have multiple things I want to do to the bobber, and I had a specific order I was going to do it in. And today I noticed there's a leak under it. It's been on the stand for probably 2 weeks now, and now this just appeared. And I was like, man, did I hit something with the floor jack under it? And I checked, and no, I did not. The bike normally does not leak. So I had to figure out where it's coming from, and I traced it up the jack to my fork seal. Now that's the same fork seal that started leaking outside Nevada before I even got to Sturgis, and I rode it back from Sturgis. So I rode that with about 3,500 miles, and I thought it'd stop leaking and I'd fix it when I got to that stage where I wanted to fix it. But as you can see, it is leaking down here onto the brakes. And I don't want to get on the brake pads. It didn't seem to be a problem during the Sturgis trip because it all went down the bike and across here on the gas tank. But now, since I had the bike on the stand and cinched down, apparently it's down to that level, and I guess I've moved it or something the last day or two, and now it's leaking. So instead of doing the next mod I was going to do, I either got to figure out what I'm going to do fixing the fork. Either I got to learn how to fix it myself, take it someplace to get fixed, or make a decision of another plan that I've been thinking of that's going to take 4 to 6 weeks to get the part. So I have a decision to make, whether I want to just get the fork fixed so I can ride it in between all the mods, or leave it on the stand until I get to the fork, which was the original plan, but it involved riding the bike in between. So you'll have to watch next week to see what I'm doing in the back. And then you have to see if I actually go ride the bike with the leak, get it fixed, or if I leave it on the stand for the next couple months and get it to the stage where I want to deal with the fork. So the video will come out next week. You guys can watch it and see what I decide to do. Later.